Choose a tile that combines slip resistance, water tolerance, and durability so your laundry room stays safe and functional. Start by prioritizing porcelain or vitreous ceramic tiles because they have high density and low water absorption, which makes them ideal for frequent exposure to splashes and humidity. Look for a tile with a textured finish or a matte surface to reduce slip risk when the floor is wet. Avoid highly polished finishes unless you plan to use area rugs in key zones. Check the tile's PEI rating for wear resistance and choose at least a 3 for light residential floor use and a 4 for heavier traffic or if you store laundry baskets and equipment on the floor. For grout, pick an epoxy or sealed grout to prevent staining and moisture penetration, and use a slightly wider joint if your subfloor may experience small movements to reduce the chance of crack transmission. Measure and plan layout to reduce small cut pieces at doorways and allow for expansion gaps around the perimeter equal to the tile manufacturer guidelines, and always acclimate tiles in the laundry room environment for 24 hours before installation if temperature or humidity differs from the warehouse. When choosing style and color, favor mid-tone patterns that hide dirt and fading from detergent spills, and get samples to view under your room lighting at different times of day. A common mistake is choosing a glazed wall tile without checking the water absorption rating, which can lead to premature damage, so always verify floor suitability and select tiles rated for flooring. Another issue is using narrow grout lines with unlevel subfloors, which can show lippage and cause tripping, so properly level the substrate or choose a tile size and installation method that tolerates slight variation and maintains suitable grout width. Homeowners also overspend on ultra-polished finishes that look nice but become slippery and high maintenance, so opt for a safe finish and add washable rugs in front of the washer and dryer for comfort and extra protection. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate local contractors who work on flooring and laundry room remodels, and we provide contractor profiles so tradespeople can advertise their services. We also host an active discussion community where we share installation tips, brand reviews, and real-world experiences to help you make informed decisions.